Today we're going to talk about basic modeling tools. Plastic nippers are very helpful in cutting out plastic parts from the sprue. But as you can see in mine, I have a chip, which I should replace very soon. Now, without plastic nippers, I wouldn't be able to cut these fragile parts from the sprue, though you can use a hobby knife to slowly cut them out from the sprue. Scissors are very helpful in cutting out decals from their decal sheet. Everybody should have tweezers. They're very helpful for sliding on the decals on the plastic surface, and you can place small plastic parts with a tweezer. Now, every modeler needs files. Without them, you can't really clean on models that well. And they come in various sorts of sizes too. But I prefer sandpaper more, and it should be very helpful to keep some in various grit sizes. Superglue is very helpful in gluing on photo etch parts, metal parts, clear parts, and painted parts. Everyone should use extra thin cement glue for its capillary action. It's pretty helpful. And also, I have a extra bottle of normal cement glue for larger parts. Putty is very good for filling up gaps, and you should get plastic model putty. Not like my putty, but it works for me. Everyone should get a hobby knife to start off their model kits, cause it'll help trim off the nut marks, as you'll see later on. As you can see, I can trim off the extra nut marks, which makes it even cleaner. Now for some bonus items, I have masking tape for painting, some clothespins to hold parts together when the glue is drying, some paint brushes. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. And share it around too. Make sure to check my social medias in the link down below.